is 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July!
Well, when you're watching this, it will be the day after 4th of July, or at least after 4th of July. So we hope you enjoyed your 4th of July. But we're enjoying 4th of July now. I'm gonna make some food. We're gonna make some smash burgers on the Blackstone. I'm here in an RV park. They are having some live music at the pool, which is right outside of our door.
And they're making burgers, so we could have just ate there, but...
Yeah, but I already prepped, we already planned for this, and so...
That's still fun for you guys. You wanna watch Erin cook, right?
Right? So when we're outside, it's gonna be loud, so, you know, maybe we'll put captions or something, or whatever.
Just enjoy the music.
Yeah, we'll enjoy this. It's a singer. His name is Doug, and he actually is from the area, and I know he's performed a lot on the Parkway, different of the live theater and things like that. So he's here quite often, actually, performing at our RV park. And our RV's right next to the pool, so we get to hear it all the time. Yes, and actually we had a little incident earlier.
With the awning?
Yeah, we actually put our awning out earlier today because we knew we were going to cook outside, and then we wanted to change how we were positioning it, and as we were moving it, one of the parts just broke and fell and hit me in the head. But I'm okay.
Good thing there's people at the pool that came to our rescue and helped us put it back away.
So it was so sweet. They were so sweet.
Pretty sure it's broken.
Yeah, so we won't be using the awning anytime soon.
Oh well.
Alright, let's get to it. We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun. RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV.
Is the happy boys? You so happy? Cody? He's a happy boy? Yeah, you happy to be on YouTube today? No. Cody, you look like you're smiling. He's so cute. You ready for the fireworks? Are you ready for the fireworks? Alright, they gotta see the cave we made for the dogs. Okay, what'd you build for Zachary?
So we put the couch down, so it's like a bed. And there's like space under there.
Yeah.
And then we took the ottoman, put it here, took their actual bed, laid it over the ottoman, and then I have layers of blankets and pillows to kind of soundproof it. And Zach goes in there.
He goes in that hole, which I'm sure we will show you later once the fireworks are going off.
I think we'll be in it.
Yes.
For sure.
Babies are having a good time hanging outside listening to music. We got a little break in the music, so we wanted to film. What you cooking us, Erin?
Smash burgers, some sauteed mushroom and onions, and the smash burgers are going on Hawaiian pretzel slider buns.
Ooh, we need to show those. I've never had these before.
Me either, they're new. And then I'm gonna make some Kraft mac and cheese in the skillet, TikTok version. Stay tuned for that.
That's the one Erin talked about making before.
Yes.
Right.
If you've been following along. And that's it. And so I'm doing my mushroom and onions first. I already heated up the Blackstone with some avocado oil.
Well, you said those have been marinating?
Yes, moisture shear into barbecue seasoning.
For how long?
Like an hour.
Woo-wee. Oh, it smells so good.
It does, it really does.
What are you drinking?
Truly mango chili.
How is it?
It's good. I just tried these for the first time. There's variety pack. There's a few different flavors. Pretty refreshing. I like it. 1 sugar.
Where's my drink?
What are you drinking?
I am drinking Old Smoky strawberry lemonade whiskey with lemonade. Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers. Happy 4th of July. We love our park, does stuff for the holidays. It's super cute here. Everyone is just chill, having a good time.
And since we've been here, they've honestly had an event every weekend, basically.
Yeah, there's always stuff going on here. It's pretty cool. We got like cornhole going on over there.
I know Kim won't play me in cornhole.
Our
She's scared.
beautiful mountain view. You think I was scared of you?
Only in flip cup.
I got you there too, don't worry. You think you do. You think you do. Sun is going down. Wonder what kind of sunset we'll be getting tonight.
How's your mushrooms and onions? Coming along nicely.
How long you cook them for?
So I like when the onions are nice and like cooked down a lot. I don't like a wormy onion, you know what I mean? Alright, it's mac and cheese time. And if you've been following us for at least a few home vlogs, you know that I always complain about the amps that I have available to cook with. And it's super hot right now, so normally when I have to use my skillet, I have to turn the air on just fan and not have any cool air. And I'm like, I can't do that anymore during the summer. It's too hot. So I'm being a little unsafe.
It's not unsafe.
Well, you're really not supposed to plug electrical things like this into an extension cord.
Oh, that's the unsafe part.
So basically what we're doing is we have our, I don't know what you call it, our heavy duty extension cord plugged into the power box, because the power box actually has a 110 or 120 amp. So I'm plugged into there, running through the window, so I can use the skillet while the air is still on. So that's how we're going to survive this summer, because I can't cook without air.
So it's coming in through the window?
Yeah, it's literally coming in through the window. And I just hung it up here on the cabinet, and we're going to get going. Alright, so we're making the Kraft mac and cheese, box mac and cheese, not the one with the sauce, one with the powder, in the skillet. And it's not, you basically ignore all these directions. Don't even pay attention to the directions on the box. So I start off, I have my skillet on medium-high heat. Dump in the nudes, all the nudes. And then we're gonna put enough water just to cover all the pasta, the macaronis. Okay,
so you don't need to measure?
No, you just wanna.
Just
it
enough
depends
to
on.
cover
Yeah,
it?
it depends on like your skillet, I guess. I mean, maybe if it's a bigger skillet, you would lose less or more. I'm not really sure, but it's probably about 1.5 cups of water. Okay, so we're gonna do some pink Himalayan salt, and that's gonna season the mac and help the water boil. Actually, pepper, and then we're gonna do about 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter. Bloop. Okay, and then this is where people think it's weird. You're putting the cheese sauce in now.
You're putting it in now.
Right now. We're not draining this pasta. We're not doing anything like that. We're putting the cheese in.
Oh boy. I've never even seen how you make this.
I know, she's had a couple times. She's like, "What did you do?" I'm like, "I did the TikTok trend."
TikTok
That's what I did.
I just ate it, y'all.
Literally, Kim is in her chair where she works and does everything, and when everything happens, here's like behind the scenes. She doesn't even know. She's like, "I'm like, dinner served." She's like, "Heck yeah." So I'm gonna stir in the cheese.
You're a keeper, Erin.
I'm gonna stir in the cheese powder. And the whole idea with this is that you're actually just like, as the pasta cooks, it's absorbing the water, and you're gonna be left with very little liquid at the end, and it kind of, the cheese powder sits and gets soaked into the macaroni as it's cooking. I'm gonna add a little milk too. You only need a little bit of milk. But basically you're just gonna simmer this and keep stirring it. It kind of, it takes a little longer than making it the box packaging directions, but this, in my opinion, is like 10 times better.
Yeah.
At least, right? At least 10 times better.
Yes.
So that's what we're doing. Just gonna put in a little milk, probably a couple tablespoons full. And we're just gonna get this to a simmer, and then just, like I said, keep stirring it until it gets, the noodles get tender and the cheese gets creamy.
Yummy.
I'm using ground beef for the smash burgers. It's an 80-20 mix, and then I just put some barbecue seasoning and some Worcestershire in there as well. That I did season them earlier this morning, so they can kind of sit and marinate with the seasonings. And now I'm just using a little scoop and rolling out kind of like
meatballs.
Yeah, I don't really know the weight. I don't have a scale in here, but I just kind of eyeballed it by filling the bottom of my 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup. Stirring up nicely.
Yes, and it smells so good. But really, like I haven't made macaroni and cheese the regular way since I saw this TikTok. So it really does make a difference. And I think it's something about really the cheese powder being in the water, so it's like absorbing that cheese flavor. So the noodles, it's not just noodles with some sauce on it. They're like cheese noodles and sauce. If that makes sense. I'm dropping down some avocado oil.
Avocado oil.
And I got my smash burgers. I made 6.
6. Smush that burger. What is that, parchment paper?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah. We didn't show them the buns yet. I want to show you the buns.
We show them when we make them.
Put them cheese on it, girl. 1 cheese per burger. That's how we roll.
You know, I don't slack on the cheese, okay?
Okay, and here's the buns.
Yes.
King's Hawaiian
Excited.
pretzel slider
It's
buns.
literally inspired my 4th of July food thought, so that's why we're doing it.
Yeah, and they were cooking at the pool too, and they were like, "Why don't you guys come and eat?" We're like, we're cooking our own burgers."
I would love to have tried everything.
Yeah.
It was really sweet. They came over and saved us in our awning
Fiasco.
experience.
Did you toast our buns?
I toasted the buns. And now I just gotta I gotta match the bottoms and the tops. They're so cute. Okay. Yummy.
Alright, we gotta hurry up and eat. The fireworks about to start in like 5 minutes. The dogs are gonna start freaking out.
I'm going in. I added a tomato, mayo, and ketchup to mine. And the mushroom and onions, obviously.
We could eat a good burger every day.
Oh my god.
You like the buns?
Oh, absolutely. They give a nice little sweetness.
I love Hawaiian bread. I've never tried this pretzel. It's good.
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese. It's sat for a little bit, so it's not as creamy as it looked when it first was finished.
But it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Alright, Kim's giving her sandwich a try. Her burger, I should say. Look at that pretzel bun. They're really soft.
They're so cute.
So soft. And we just did the mushroom, onions, mayo, right? Mac and cheese. What do you think?
Excellent.
Right?
This bread is amazing.
It's so soft.
I would just like dip it in cheese.
For real, you don't even need to like do anything else with it. And there's not too much salt, which I appreciate because I don't like a ton of salt.
Yeah, I agree with that. Look, the burger still got a little pink in it. That's amazing.
Yummy.
I love that.
Alright, well, we're gonna eat our food before these fireworks start, so we'll see you in just a minute. Found the moon way up there. But it's just so pretty.
Think they don't understand. Fireworks going off. I don't know if you can see it, but they're happening over there.
I just don't think you understand. And if you tell my heart,
I ain't get breaking hard.
he might love and kill this man.
Zachary, you okay, baby? He's hiding in his home.
They're starting.
They are starting.
It's happening.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Happy 4th of July, everyone. So glad we get to see this literally right in front of our RV with this beautiful sky in the background. Alright guys, we hope you have a wonderful evening. Happy 4th!
Thanks for hanging out with us tonight, guys. We really hope you all enjoyed your 4th. We definitely have. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, please, I'm excited by the fireworks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.
We gotta go inside and be with our puppies.
Yes, happy 4th.
We can see the fireworks show from inside of the RV, so we're with Zachary. He's doing okay. Could be better, but we get to see them. We turned all the lights off inside because it was like there was a bad glare. We just got to watch the fireworks from inside the RV straight out the window.
Right on
so
the couch.
Cool. So cool.
Yeah, that's pretty special actually. Where do you get to watch fireworks from your couch?
Not many places.
Without it being on the TV.
Zachary,
He's hanging in there.
it's okay, baby. Everything's gonna be alright. Yeah, the world's not ending, I promise. And Cody just wants to be on top of me.
He's a cuddler when he's scared.
Yeah, ooh, I see some other fireworks in the distance too.
It's almost over, Mac.
Okay, bye everyone.